All right, guys. So I decided to do a get ready with me as I get ready to go to this a friend of mine. She's having a party tonight, and it's going to be a black and yellow party. Very excited about going. So I decided to, hey, why not do a get ready with me? So here we are. Here we have it. All right. So guys, me and my husband, I'm gonna have a vlog up if it's not already up and you've seen it. We just came from Cancun, Mexico, and when I tell you it was so much fun, it was so much fun. Actually, this is our first vacation by ourselves. Normally we travel with other couples. And this year we decided to just go on our own and just relax and just have a great time. And I tell you, that's exactly what we did. Now, the first day, oh my God, I was so sick. I don't know if my sinuses was bothering me or what, but I had a headache. My eyes was bothering me. My ears, oh my God, my ears was aching. I guess it was from flying, but I was sick the first day. And the second day, I pretty much fought through it. It was still lingering a little bit, but I fought through it, and hey, we had an awesome time, especially that third day. That's when we really was adventurous, and we went on we did the ATVs, zip line, and we did this. Oh my God, guys, we did this swimming underwater cave. And when I say the water was clear and beautiful, and it was a beautiful scenery, but I was scared. It's it's like underground. It's a dark cave with very minimum lighting. There were bats in there, but they claim they were completely harmless, but I don't play around like that. So I did get in for a little while. Of course, I was on a float with our instructor, Miss Lula. She was so awesome, and she made me feel very comfortable. So I did go out and explore just a little bit. My husband's slow kid, if you know him, was like a big kid out there. So they did their little swimming, and I came back and waited on them. And actually, that was first. After we did that, we ended up doing zip lining, which was so awesome. I thought that the zip lining is much better than I thought. I thought it was going to be like just like just a drop, and where my heart was going to drop down to my feet. But it's just like a glide from one end to the other, and that was pretty cool. And ATVs, y'all already know those are awesome. I love the ATVs. So if you haven't done either of those yet, it's a must. You must try it out. You please do. They are so much fun. We had a blast. Just me and him, better than I thought. And now we're back, and here we are. So guys, yeah, I'm still working with this little miniature brush from the crayon case. And I just love this little brush. I do have one of those contour brushes from Morphe, but I seem to work with this little fella here a little bit better. Yes, you see that? I can work with this guy a little bit, but I have much better control. Yes. So yeah, guys, if you haven't been already, you guys must visit Cancun, Mexico. That's where we went, and it was so much fun. I am so ready for our next venture. Hopefully that will be soon. We plan to take our kids, well, my youngest, which is 14. I want him to experience flying. So we're going to take him somewhere. Where? I don't know where. And I messed up and I told him that we were going to, and ever since then he's been bugging me. Mom, where we going? Where y'all gonna take me? Y'all taking me to Mexico? Where we going? Keyshawn, I don't know. We're gonna let you know, son. Calm down. Please do. All right. So yeah, I'm very excited about this party tonight. I'm just gonna be very simple. I'm not gonna do anything dramatic. I'm thinking of going with earthy, cool earth tones, very natural tonight. So yeah. If you guys have any suggestions on where we should travel next, please leave that in a comment below. Or some adventures that we can explore. Leave some comments below. But you see how I blend that out with this spoolie? Oh, that looks so natural. Yep. So guys, yeah, if you haven't already seen my Posh Boutique video that I've done reviewing some of the items that we have, please go do so. Please visit the website. We have new items in stock and we have more on the way. I'll leave the link to the website in the description below. So yeah, please visit that site. You guys won't be disappointed. We have a little bit of everything. All right, yeah, so. All right, well, I am going to finish this makeup up and stop talking and let you guys watch as I create the magic. Voila, magic. Voila, magic. Yes, so guys, I'm back. I'm done with my makeup and I am ready to go. Yes, don't you guys just love this look? Just a natural look that I did. Nothing dramatic and over the top. Just enough because your girl outfit is going to be doing enough. Anyway, so yes, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Please comment, like, and subscribe to this video. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time your girl upload a video. Until next time, see y'all.